Okay, so this is our balcony. It's about 5:45 in the evening. I've just come in from work, and this is the sights and sounds. These are the sights and sounds we get to see after work. Not all that glamorous, really. Oopsie, I come. Someone cleaning their car. Our over the road neighbours, they don't like our parties. Our next door neighbours. Looks pretty clean tonight. That's the deck. And if you walk to this side, this is where we do our laundry. Oh, sun in there. School next door. Oh, there's the kids on a bicycle. There's a mosque in the background there. I'm not sure if you can see it. I can try to zoom. And that shiny mosque. Quite loud. And that's pretty much it. Oh, there are washing machines. That's pretty much it. This is our roof deck. With its pretty door. Nice door. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Bye bye.